Hello fan collectors. Today we're looking at a Century ceiling fan from 1914. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I've got this fan from a collector in Fort Smith, Arkansas, and I totally rewired it, restored it, put a new light kit on it, or didn't have a light kit, I just added one. And this fan is 58 inches in diameter, and has Tiffany style shades on it. We'll pick it up on high in a minute. Great mid-low. One thing you do notice on a Century fan, the whole bottom of the housing turns. It's pretty unique fan. That's all the angle you want to see.
No.
Alright, I'm going to pick it up a little bit. And probably reaching almost 100 there, maybe 110. Now it's picking on up probably about 120. And let's cut it up on full speed. Here we go. Brace yourself. And I would say that's probably about 260 RPMs. I'm not familiar. I should have put a piece of tape on it like John Wood does on his. Turn it off. Got a little bit of torque on it. But I'll turn the lights back on again. Let you see the fan. And that's a Century ceiling fan for you. Date 1914.